Good day, everyone. So, our topic for today is the meaning of tourism promotion. Tourism promotion means stimulating sales through the dimension of information. It means trying to encourage actual and potential customer to travel. According to Hub 1997, the objective of promotion are to make the tourist product widely known. It means to advertise or basically to promote the product widely. Second is to make it very attractive in order to encourage many people to try it. And lastly, to make the message attractive without being dishonest. Basically, while promoting, it should be honest without changing some facts or description within the promotion. Now we will proceed to the promotion and communication. Good promotion is good communication. Developing the promotional mix is an exercise in good communication. And we have here the three communication system. We have the sender, the receiver, and the message.
The sender, the travel organization, transmits certain information that will change people's attitudes and create in them a desire to use the product or service. The receiver, the potential tourist, the message, verbal radio, visual, press advertising, televisions, film shows, exhibitions, periodicals or written. Periodicals, brochures, press advertising. The goal is accomplished through messages that seek, inform, persuade, or remind the customer.
And my topic is all about relationship of promotion to marketing. So, marketing encompasses the entire life cycle of a product or service, from conception and development to its ultimate sale, encompassing market research, product design, pricing, strategies, distribution, channels, and customer relationship management. Promotion is a vital element within the broader marketing mix, focuses specifically on communicating a product or service value to a proposition to potential customers. This communication is crucial for driving sales, leverage various channels including advertising, public relations, sales, promotion, and digital marketing. In the tourist sector, effective promotion is a paramount as it directly impact the attraction of potential tourists. A promotional strategy is indispensable for achieving marketing objectives and ensuring sustainable growth. The relationship between marketing and promotion is evident. Promotion amplifies the impact of the overall marketing strategy, acting as a powerful catalyst for sales and marketing penetrations.
Promotion planning determine the objective goals the organization should strive to accomplish and the plan of action to attain these goals. According to Schmoll 1997, the following are the result of the planning process. The objectives of the promotion that are consistent with the general marketing plan. Promotional objectives must match the overall goals of the organization's marketing strategy. Number 2, the identifications of the market group to which the promotion is targeted. Clearly define the group of consumers the promotion is aimed at. Number 3, the identification of the specific advertising sales, support, and public relations program to be organized. Determine the specific advertising sales, support, and public relations activities that will be used. Number 4, the budget allocation to various markets. Budget allocation decide how to distribute promotional resources across different market segments. The method to be used to control and assess the effectiveness of the promotion. Establish a way to monitor and measure the effectiveness of the promotion.
Goals are important in developing promotional strategies. To be effective, goals must be specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Quantifiable and measurable, allow for tracking progress and determining success. Realistically attainable. Ensure goals are achievable based on resources and constraints and time-bound. Establish specific deadlines for completion. They should be quantitative so that they can be measured to determine if the outcome is achieved. They should have a specific time period in which they are to be completed. They should be written clearly and concisely and be as specific as possible.
Market target is a common theme is necessary establishing market targets. Dito sinasabi na ang promosyon ay walang kwenta kung iisang destinasyon lang naman or pare-pareho ang gusto ng mga tao. Meron silang target market na itinayo. Upang malinaw ang paggawa dito ay hindi basta-basta dahil kailangan nila itong pag-isipan ng mabuti at binabase nila ito sa tao. Meron din naman ditong market segmentation kung saan ay nakadepende ito sa tao kung ang gustong taong yun ay more on adventure or sa kapahingahan naman.
Good morning everyone. Today we will tackle about message in tourism promotion. A message is the core communication that aims to attract potential tourists to a specific destination, experience, or service. It's the carefully crafted narrative that persuades individuals to choose a particular place or activity for their leisure time. The message needs to resonate with the target audience, highlighting the unique selling points of the offering. In short, the message in tourism promotion is a strategic tool used to connect with potential tourists on an emotional level, highlighting the unique value proposition of a destination or service and driving conversations. It's not just about information, it's about creating a compelling narrative that inspires travelers. Thank you.
So today we will discuss promotion mix. Promotion mix is a tool that conveys messages to the customer. The major types of promotion mix are: first is advertising, any form of paid or non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, products, or services by a scientific sponsor using name from the mass media. Second is a personal selling, an oral presentation or one or more perspective customer on a face-to-face basis. So it means face-to-face. Third is sales promotion, activities other than advertising and persona selling that stipulate a purchase. Sales promotion, these are directed toward the customer or toward intermediaries. Fifth is public relation, the presentation of ideas, goods, or services about an organization using mass media. Unlike advertising, it is not paid for. It is designed to create a favorable image of the product, services, or business unit.
Newspaper advertising is a print marketing method where businesses place advertisement in newspaper to reach a wide audience. Newspaper, especially community paper, can reach a targeted audience within a specific geographic area, which is beneficial for attraction that really on local tourism can be an effective way to reach potential tourists, particularly for local and regional destination, offering a targeted reach to specific geographics, providing flexibility in ad placement and design, and offering a level of engagement that some online platforms lack. Direct mail provides a tangible reminder of destination for travel offer, which can be more memorable. Direct mail advertising can be a powerful tool for the tourism industry, offering benefits like increased brand awareness, targeted reach, and the ability to create a personalized experience for potential travelers. Regular direct mail campaigns can keep a tourism brand top on mind for potential tourism and customers. Television advertising involves using short video commercials to promote product, services, or ideas to a broad audience. To television broadcast. Advertising can show how attractions and services can be used in real-life scenarios, giving potential travelers a clearer idea what to expect. Television advertising benefits tourists, increase destination awareness, generating interest in specific attraction and potential influence travel destination. Magazines can be an effective way for businesses to advertise the tourists. Regional magazines can be used to promote local transactions and businesses to tourists visiting the areas. Magazines offer several benefits of advertising to tourists, including enhanced credibility and longer attention spans. Magazines offer a unique experience that can be more engaging and memorable than digital ads, potentially influence travel decisions. Radio. Radio advertising is a marketing strategy where businesses purchase airtime or radio station to broadcast commercial to their listeners, reaching a broadcast audience, being cost-effective and offering flexibility in targeting specific demographics and locals. Yellow Page. Yellow Page advertising can be a viable option for businesses looking to reach local tourists. Yellow Page advertising can benefit tourists by increasing visibility and reach for local businesses, offering convenient information, lock-up, and providing reliable resources for local businesses to find information. Outdoor advertising. Outdoor advertising for tourists focus on reaching potential travelers with promotion message taught various formal like billboard, transit ads, increasing brand awareness and potentially influence travel decision to target campaign and memorable visual experience. Novelties. Novelty advertising use unique creative and casual strategies. This can include unusual visual, copywriting, formal and overall original content. Directories. Directories advertising for tourism promotes destination attraction and experiences to potential travelers by listing businesses and contact information online. Directories advertised benefits tourists by providing a central and organized source of information about destination, accommodation, attraction, and services, making it easier for travelers to plan and book their trips.
The major issues of promotion. The first issue is known as false advertising or misleading advertising. It involves providing incorrect or confusing details that can deceive consumers into making a purchase. For example, a business promotes a smartphone plan claiming unlimited data with no additional cost, but after a certain usage limit, users are charged extra. This is misleading because it creates a false impression to influence potential buyers. Second issue, making claims that a product or service meets a certain standard, grade, or style when it really doesn't. Third, not telling an important fact, especially when leaving it out, could trick or mislead the customer. For example, like saying a shampoo is dermatologist approved or made with 100% natural ingredients when that's not true. Fourth issue, saying untrue or misleading things about another company's products or services to make them look bad. Fifth issue, promoting a product or service with no real plan to sell it the way it was shown in the ad. Like for example, a store advertises a big discount on a popular laptop, but when customers arrive, they say it's out of stock and try to sell a more expensive model instead.